Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Padi, and in this video I will show you how you can add FAQ schema to your Blogger website, and I will also show you how you can add beautiful accordion FAQ block to your Blogger website. For this, go to your Blogger dashboard and here click on theme. Now before changing anything, make sure to take a backup of your theme. So in case if you do anything wrong, then you can easily restore it back to the normal position by clicking on the restore button. So here click on edit HTML and here copy the CSS code for the accordion block and search for closing head tag and paste the CSS code just above it. Now save your theme. Now click on blog post and here create a new blog post. Now you have to add your FAQ in this format. Here you have to add your question and in the P tag you have to add your answer, and you can create as much FAQ block by just copy this code again and again, and you have to add your question and answer in this format. Now copy this whole code and paste it in your HTML section of your blog post. Now hit the publish button. So let's check how it looks in the front end, and as you can see the accordion block is added to your blog, but it is not SEO friendly yet because you did not add the FAQ schema markup to your blog post. So to add the schema markup, go to the JSON schema generator and here you have to generate the schema code for your blog post. So just copy the question and paste it in the question field. Now copy this answer and paste it in the answer field, and you can add as much FAQ as you can. Okay, I have added the FAQ question here. Now copy this whole code from here and go to your blog post, and here click on HTML view and paste the schema code here. Now hit the publish button. Now copy this URL and now let's check if this is schema is added properly or not, and for this you have to test this in Rich Result Test tool provided by Google. Just paste the URL and click on test URL. It will take some time to analyze the page and it will show you the final result, and as you can see the article is showing FAQ, and here the FAQ schema is added to this page, and you can preview this page by click on preview results, and as you can see the FAQ schema is added to the blog post. So you can easily add FAQ schema to your blog post and the beautiful accordion FAQ block using this simple trick. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you really like this video, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this. And if you have any doubt regarding FAQ blog in Blogger, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.